Kashy with the science kid.
Cash.
Hi, I'm Mommy, and this is Kashy, and we want to welcome you to Kashy with the Science Kid. Today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. We have peroxide right out of the bathroom cabinet. We also have Dawn dish detergent, but you can use any detergent. We have a little bit of warm water. We have yeast right from the grocery store. We also have a clear used soda bottle. We also have another bottle in case we need to pour. And we have food coloring, Kashy's favorite. All right, so first what we're gonna do is, Kashy. I know, I'm excited too. We're gonna pour a little bit of peroxide into this bottle. Can Mommy pour the peroxide for you? Okay, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna actually put a little bit of food coloring into the bottle. Kashy, can you pour some food coloring in the bottle? Are you ready? Yeah. You got it? 1, 2, 3. Our elephant toothpaste is gonna be green. Thank you, Kashy. Next, what we're gonna do is to put in a little bit of dish soap. Kashy, can you put in the dish soap? Good job, Kashy. And one of the very last things that we're gonna do is take water and we're gonna open one of our yeast packs. Can you say open? We're gonna open this yeast pack. And can you stir the yeast for Mommy? Yeah. All right, Kashy Whiz. I have the yeast pack open. Can you pour a little bit of yeast into the hot water? Whoa. Make sure that you use warm water. If the water is too hot, it will kill the yeast. All right, very good, Kashy. Now, can you stir it with your spoon? Use your spoon. Stir it up. Stir. Whoa, good job. Can you stir it? Stir it up. Kashy's currently stirring the yeast with the warm water. All right, and the last thing that we're gonna do, are we done with the yeast, Kashy? The last thing that we're gonna do is pour the yeasty water into our bottle full of peroxide. No. And we're gonna see if we can make elephant toothpaste. Wow, Kashy, look at that rising. Look at that reaction. Oh my goodness, I think it's gonna blow. And there you go, guys. Now all you have to do is find an elephant. What do you think, Kashy? You did this. Wow, good job. Can you say, go, Kashy? Go, Kashy. What just happened? Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, breaks down into oxygen, O, and water, H2O. Hydrogen peroxide will naturally separate into oxygen and water, but when you add the yeast, it makes this reaction happen much faster. When the oxygen separates from the hydrogen peroxide, it is caught by the dish soap and it creates lots of bubbles. This is called an exothermic reaction, which is any reaction that produces heat. Yay! Wow, we've made quite a reaction. We better clean it up now. Look at this. Wow, guys, that is some really cool elephant toothpaste. Look at that, Kashy. What do you think? Ew, can you say ew? Good job, Poo Poo. Can you say bye, friends? Bye. Bye, friends. Can you say bye? Bye. Bye, friends.
Kashy with the science kid.
Cash, cash.